मलेशियात 5वे जागतीक गोजू रयू कराटे चॅम्पियनशीप 16 ते 22 सप्टेंबर मजगती जावपाची आसा। त्या खातीर गोंयच्या ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांची निवड जाल्या त्या विद्यार्थ्यांचो मंत्री मायकल लोबोच्या हातांत भोवमान जालो। RDX गोवा खातीर कलंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
World Championship. In fact, self-defense is very important. When you learn martial arts, as long as you use it for a good cause, definitely, first of all, you are physically fit, and when you know the sport, you can defend yourself from others. Also defend others also.
Present to you these 4 young kids who are going to represent the state of Goa, and especially they're representing India. So, as it is written in the press release, there are 120 contestants going from our country, and it's a huge tournament for us. These kids have put in a lot of effort over many years, and this has come now to fruition. They are representing India today. I would just like to say that as the Honorable Inspector just spoke, that self-defense being paramount today, knowing the situation that women face on a day-to-day basis, I would like to encourage all the women to take some kind of self-defense training. Whatever your age might be, you never know when you're going to use it. And in my class, let me say that the majority of my students are girls.
Budding talent, 4 girls, 1 boy. That's women empowerment. That's representing India, not just Goa at a national level, at the world stage. And to see from our very own Kalangut girls and boys, all the very best. Don't be nervous. Every stage is a learning process. At every stage of life, wherever you all are going for competition, it's a learning process. So you are getting to learn, and you are representing India. Remember that. And always be thankful to your parents, first of all. They have encouraged you all, and here you all are representing our India, and you all are representing yourself and your parents.
Press and dear friends, it is indeed a proud moment for our Kalangut constituency, because we have 4 talented students representing not Kalangut constituency but representing India in the World Karate Championship at Malaysia. So we are very proud of you. Like Sir Rapos said, you have to use it for your defense, self-defense. I would like to add further, it is not only your own defense, but please try to defend the weaker people also. So
I would like to congratulate all the 4 teenagers, Miss Marilio Lobo, Miss Sara Miranda, Miss Angel D'Souza, Master Karan Maratha. Karate has got so many associations, and they are affiliated finally to the main Karate Association of India. Finally there is one body which is right on top, but they have got so many branches, and every association tries to perform the best, and when they are performing the best, they are doing it on their own. When I say they are doing it on their own, is without a support from the National Sports Authority of India or from Sports Authority of Goa. They do not get any type of support. The parents, well-wishers, the schools here, Green Meadows, I think, have given them a place to practice. Thank you for that. Here it is the association of well-wishers, parents, and their coach or their master who teaches them. So they have to do their best. The funds are being raised by the parents, or sometimes some well-wisher gives. Likewise, our police inspector said it is a very good it is very important as a self-defense, especially for women, for a good cause. She can defend her own self. She can defend other girls if anybody tries to misbehave. We have seen that there's a lot of eve teasing, sometimes it goes on, sometimes boys from other state when they are in Goa, they try to misbehave with the young girls, school girls or something. If a girl who is learning karate, especially Goju Ryo karate, I think she can defend herself and defend others.